Marine Group Boatworks is a full-scale boutique shipyard. So we do government work for the U.S. Navy. We do commercial work, tugboats, barges, fishing boats, anything that you can think of that floats. We purchase a little bit of everything from argon, helium, CO2, nitrogen, and we even get into some exotic mixed blends for some of our more sophisticated aluminum welding. Marine welding is challenging as that it's not done in a bubble. We're out here in the open environment. Wind impacts us, contamination impacts us, power variation sometimes can impact us. So our demand for quality from our gas supplier is critical to us meeting our performance goals for our clients. WestAir has been our partner in gas supply for many, many years. We've searched all over. We work competitively. We've talked to lots of different suppliers. At the end of the day, for us, it's reliability, it's quality of service, and value that matters. Marine Group is a family-owned and operated business, and one of the few shipyards left that is family-owned and operated. We're still a handshake company, and we expect that relationship with our vendors and our customers.